So how do you delete the sleep wake up on the iPhone? Let's explain that. If this is your first time on this channel, check out the rest of the tutorials and most definitely subscribe because you're not going to miss anything important. Anyways, if you want to delete the sleep wake up, there are more things you might mean by that. First of all, inside of the settings and focus section, there is the sleep focus mode. And if you don't like that to be part of your device, you can obviously delete it completely or at least change the schedule, right? So you can, as you can see, it just like turns off at the morning at a specific time, and you can change that so it's like it's going to give the alarm option. So when you see it like that, you can see that it might also include an alarm, right? So perhaps you don't like it, so turn off the alarm or change the scheduling or turn off the scheduling. So as you can see, plenty of different things which you can customize within the sleeping focus mode, which I believe is the thing you have in mind with this. Okay, but other than that, we also have the display and brightness selection, and there we have the auto lock feature, which is like the sleep time but for your device's screen, which is a bit different, but I guess you could also mean that. And in here you also get to select the time of inactivity after which the phone will lock itself. So that's another way of looking at the sleep wake up time, whatever, right? So yeah, this might be also something you are interested in. So let me know if we managed to fix the problem for you. Hit the thumbs up if it worked, but most definitely subscribe for tutorials and videos like this one, right? So in case of any questions, leave them below and I'll see you later.